morning, everybody. So we're going over to the driveway job. The weather for next week just keeps changing, so I just keep changing the pours along with the weather. So we're going to be pouring Wednesday. So as of right now, we're going to be pouring Wednesday at 8 o'clock. Then we're going to be pouring again the same day, 2 o'clock, and then Thursday, 11 o'clock. So we have an action-packed couple days of pouring concrete. So we got to get everything set up. I think we're pretty much there now. So let's get over there. Let's get started. Just pulling up to the job. So it looks like everything is pretty much dried out, which is what we want, because it was like mush the other day. You can't tamp mush. You'll never get a solid compaction on it. So today's a really exciting day. We've been waiting to do this. Well, I've been waiting to do this also. You know, I had all these strings lined up and everything, and then it started raining like crazy, and you know, it was about to get good, but then the rain took us out. So we're back. Here we are. So here's our tamp. Turn this thing into a go-kart. This is how you do it right here, this thing.
That thing? Really?
Yep. You know, when you hit the gas on a go-kart, it revs up and then it'll start going.
Yeah.
And when you idle this down, it stops tamping. And then when you rev it up, it starts going. Because it engages the center, or the outside.
Oh.
This ground's frozen. Oh, man. Wait, no, never mind. I thought we painted these, didn't we? Okay. Did everything by eye with the base for the most part. You know, when you're in the machine, if you kind of get like a wide spread going, you could see it whereabouts it has to be. So, you know, about an inch or two under. So that's kind of what I wanted, and then we tiered it with afterwards with the string and all that. So going to get some more base and then get everything all set. It's very tricky with all these forms, because you got to run. Nothing's like really square. You have nothing square to go off of. The only thing that you really have is the two lines running from top to bottom. So run everything based off of that. I think let's just bring the buggy in on that side. We'll set up plywood all the way across, and we'll bring the buggy in on that side. So that leaves us for Monday then to get the center form.
Yeah.
We'll get that in place, and then we're done. We don't have to worry about it. We're
set. We'll just wait for Wednesday.
Yeah. We just break forms and pour more concrete.
That's it. Yeah.
You know, we don't have to do anything else. Would you want to cut that length over there? Off of this one?
Yeah. Like this one too?
Yeah. That's good. And then just the ones over there. And then throw some cones over that hole. Yeah, the trench. Just so nobody they don't realize it's there, so they might trip.
Just going straight back, right?
Yeah, get some machine time in. Just make sure you pick up your bucket coming out. There you go. So we're almost all set up. We gotta do this form right here. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna pour this section back here first, power buggy, and this section right here, concrete truck. Alright, so then after that, 2 o'clock, we're gonna have a center pour right here. So we have to form that out as well. We're gonna do that Monday, and then Wednesday's a pour. Feel good though. Feel like we're in a good spot. Time for the weekend. I'm excited about that. And then I'll catch back up Monday. Hope you guys have a good weekend too. Hey, good morning everybody. So we just loaded up the plywood. It's nasty, raining out, so we had to switch our days around again because of the rain. So we just put the plywood inside the truck. So now we have to go to Home Depot, get some more wood, and then we're gonna go to the job, drop that off. And we have to make another trip out to go get the power buggy. So today's a rainy day, but you know it's a good day to set up. We're gonna do like a half day. You know, Tom, he's not feeling well today. He's a little sick, so his wife's at home sick too. She's more sick. Said he has to get home to make her chicken noodle soup. I didn't know he knew how to cook, but I guess he does. So he has to get home to do that. Let's go into Home Depot real quick, get what we need, come back out, and get over to the job. Travel, we'll get over to the job. I'll be there in a little while. See you guys over there. Alright, so we're here. Looks like we have a little water buildup going on this corner. You know where it is? It's down here. We dug a trench, but what happened was we didn't go far enough with it, so not realizing the pitch was like a little bit further than what we did. So we're gonna come over here, pitch out a little further. Get a Tom pull through here too. Yep. There we go. So it's running out now. Time to get the buggy now. Yeah, totally drained.
Yeah.
It's still going, see it?
Yeah, I was watching it. It's still going.
Oh, good, good. Okay, so that's a wrap for today. Tomorrow we're going to be here at 8 o'clock. We're going to get some form set. We're running close on the trucks as far as like how much the truck holds and how much concrete we need. So we're going to do a couple tricks with the forms just to, you know, just put down a little bit more concrete, and we don't have to deal with that tightness on our future pours at this job. So we'll see. We'll figure it all out tomorrow. So 2 o'clock pour tomorrow. I requested if they have something earlier, you know, if we could have it. So we'll see. It might end up early. I have a feeling it's going to end up around like 10:30, 11 o'clock. Hopefully it does, just so we get done earlier. Hey, good morning, guys. All right, so here we are. The truck's going to be coming later today, 2 o'clock. We're going to try to get them here earlier, though. You know, we'll see, because what is the company, they're doing I guess they're doing a big pour or something. I don't know. They have their own jobs, and they took all the trucks today, Tuesday. So they're pouring into a pump truck. So once they're done, their trucks are going to start coming back to the plant. If they get back early enough, which I don't see why they won't, then we get one of those trucks. So we're hoping for like 11 o'clock. We don't have a lot to do, but we do have a lot to do. You know, we still have to put pins in all the way through. Tom, he's knocking this out over here, digging a ditch just to get all this water this way, get it out. This ground is solid. You know, it's good to go. So that's we're happy about that. And then we have to get all this equipment out of here. We have some wood. We got to finish up with our forms. We do have a form going across right here. We have to continue it over there, put a border over there. Then we have to, what we're going to do is get a center form going right here, center form. So when we order this truck, we're going to order a whole load, you know, complete full load. So we're going to pour this one here, power buggy, and then we're going to come over here. We're going to pour this one with the truck. Any remainder, we're going to come over here to the center and start pouring back and probably meet this control joint. I don't know if we'll make it that far. If not, whatever, we'll shovel it out, who knows. But you know, we'll try for it though. You know, try to get the truck empty so we're not wasting concrete. And then yeah, and then tomorrow we'll come down the center, get all that done, and then after that we'll have two spots left. That's the update, and let's get prepared. Like always with concrete, feels like you have time, but you know how it is. You don't. Time goes by quick. So use the time while you have it. Don't get relaxed. That's my advice. Don't get relaxed. And if the truck's coming at 2, pretend it's coming at 12. It's coming at 11. Pretend it's gonna be here at 9:30. You know, because you can't calculate your time exactly. You know, you gotta just give yourself a little extra time. You know, concrete's fun, we enjoy it. So let me move this stuff and we'll get started, right? Thank you. Hey Jody. Yeah, so we're good for it. That's perfect. You know what? Can you throw a 1% retarder in there, and then also just turn it to, you know, a full load? All right, cool.
7-yard 35 fiber. And what did you say to hit?
1% retarder.
Okay.
Thank you.
You got it.
Okay.
Well,
All
thanks.
right. Take care. Bye. All right. This is awesome. That's what we needed. I'll be right back, okay?
All right, drive safe, all right?
Thank you. Truck's coming at 11, but usually they come a half hour early, so we just want to be ready for them. We don't have much to do. I mean, if they came, it's not a big deal, but we just have a little bit more to do and we'll be all set. So I feel a little bit of pressure right now, but we got it. No big deal. We got it. Hey, what's up?
Hey, how you doing?
We're good, right, Tom? So, next step would be the power buggy, I think. I think the power buggy, you want to get that ready to go? You join the concrete crew? Who's gonna drive the truck? Because you'd be coming in like 5 minutes out and you'd see it flying in front of you. You'd be trying to hit it with this. Alright, so these packs here, they're from Decocrete, okay, and what they do is they're delay packs. You throw it in, so 1 pack per yard, and it'll put a delay on the concrete. So we have that pour over there, but it's just me and Tom, so it's gonna be hard to finish everything by ourselves. So this one here is gonna be separate and delayed. So I'm gonna jump up there real quick, throw these packs in. Rob, he'll mix it up, he'll add some water. You always have to add water, make sure you do it right, read the instructions. But yes, it's from Decocrete, that's where we got them. And they really save the day sometimes, like today. Today it's gonna help us. So you just throw the inner plastic in right with it. These things aren't in the greatest shape, but they do mix in still because they've been sitting. So we got one. We got about 6 yards in here, so that's what we're gonna do, 6 yards. 2. Try not to breathe them in, but if you do breathe them in, you'll live longer. They'll delay how long you live. Sorry, I bumped your mirror a little bit. I bumped your mirror a little bit. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I'll mix it in. We'll do like 6.
Okay, cool. And then we'll maybe start on the edges and then fill the center?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Oh yeah, puddling. So this is what puddling is called right here, where you don't really have to do too much because the driver is so good. I'm talking about how good you are on camera. This is a good driver right here. Rob.
Both bags?
What?
Both bags?
No, the other one's over there somewhere. I saw it. Rob, you're such a good driver. Nowhere near as good as Kevin.
You edit that?
Okay.
Say, oh, a good driver is, whatever. Say, but he's not as good as Kevin. Did you read my comment? I said I'll work for you part-time.
That was you? I didn't know that was you. Thank you. How is the Tom? Could you go a little right here? Okay. See where we're at, right? See where we're at, right? I mean, Kevin, he would have had it right on.
Oh, yeah.
He could have left already. Well, you just wait and see, okay? We gotta see if you're right. I'm just kidding. he doesn't know what he's doing. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're in it for sure, right?
What's that?
We're in the shut-off for sure, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. Yep. Yeah, shovel. You want to shovel and hit it with the edge it real quick. I'll take care of him. Probably be a good idea to thin this out too. Thanks.
Just leave it as it is now. It's fine on the credit card now. Don't. Okay. All right, Charlie.
All right. I'll see you, okay? You're good. See you later. Man, Tom, we got a lot of concrete. Right there. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Hold on. All right, next one. You got it, right? Yeah. Go that way.
This way?
Right there. Okay. All right, hold on. Okay.
Yep.
Here. You just drop it. That's good.
Good?
Yep. Thank you.
Day to be doing that.
Oh man.
Perfect.
Yeah, we've been trying to aim for this day for like 2 weeks.
You got a good one.
Yeah.
Don't get much better.
No.
It's looking good though, I'll tell you that.
Thank you.
Get started. Looking good, you're doing good.
Take care. Hey, how you doing? All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, thanks. What do you want to do? You want to,
Working on just eat and work.
yeah,
How do we do that?
yeah, sounds good. Pizza for you, pizza for me. You're welcome. It's hot.
Is it?
Yeah,
Steam?
burn your mouth.
Thank you again.
You're welcome. Man, I'm tired.
Got it. First meal all day.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey Tom, would you be able to help me broom this real quick? So, I want to go down there. I just can't hold the broom. Here, can you hold this?
You're going all the way?
No, to the third. Go to the edge, closer to you.
Back?
Yep, tell me if it's good. Is it good?
Yeah, I just gotta put it back on. Didn't get it going.
I'll fix it up. Good? How's it?
Good. Wow.
Okay, you good? How's it?
Good.
All right, let's do it one more time. This will be ready for broom in a few minutes. Yeah. How's it look?
Give it one more pass.
Good. Go back a little bit. That's good, right there.
All right, cool.
All right, Tom, thank you so much, too.
Yeah, of course.
Good job.
That's awesome. Yeah, you too. Killed it.
Yeah, you did too.
All right, well, see you tomorrow.
Sounds good. See you in the morning, okay? Okay, so that's it. It's 6 o'clock at night, and it's time to go home. We finally finished. It was a very long day, but we're done. So we're happy to go home and start back again tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a lot easier. Won't be so hard. Today was really hard. It was a long day. We're wiped out.